In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Friendship Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Friendship Primary and Bible knowledge. What was the profession of Barabbas, the man who was released to make way for the crucifixion of Jesus?
Thief. Thief.
Correct? He was a robber. Windward Road. Windward Road. What was the profession of the Apostle Paul?
Profession of Apostle Paul. Shepherd. Shepherd.
Incorrect. He was a tent maker. Local affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Horace Chang. Horace Chang.
That is correct. Windward Road. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Pernell Charles Jr. Pernell Charles Jr.
Correct. Friendship. What is the general name for an addition of harmful substances to the environment?
Pollution. Pollution.
Correct. Windward. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane are gases which help to keep the earth warm. What collective name is given to these gases?
Ozone gases. Ozone gases.
Incorrect. It's greenhouse gases. Television, it's a visual for Friendship Primary. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Brad. Brad. Brad.
Incorrect. It's Stu Pickles from the Rugrats. Windward Road. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Angelica Pickles. Angelica Pickles.
Incorrect. It's Dee Dee Pickles from the Rugrats. English language, friendship. Which words must be capitalized in this sentence? Mary was asked by her mom to go to the supermarket on Saturday.
Mary on Saturday. Mary on Saturday.
Correct. Windward Road. Which words must be capitalized in this sentence? The high school football team in Mexico won the tournament.
The and Mexico. The and Mexico.
That is correct. Sports, it's a visual. This is for Friendship Primary. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Yona Night Wisdom. Yona Night Wisdom.
That is a Jamaican diver. Yona Night Wisdom. Correct. This is now for Windward Road. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Rajesh Stoner.
Rajesh Stoner.
Correct. General knowledge, this is for Friendship Primary. If a woman gives birth to quintuplets, how many babies did she have?
5.
Correct. Windward Road. What is another name for non-identical twins?
Fesus.
Incorrect. It's fraternal or dizygotic twins. Friendship Primary, this one is for you. Social studies. Land of the Free is the title of the national anthem of which Caribbean country?
Haiti. Haiti.
Incorrect. It's Belize. Windward Road. Isle of Beauty, Isle of Splendor is the title of the national anthem for which Caribbean country?
Grenada. Grenada.
Incorrect. It's Dominica. Music, friendship. Which four-letter musical term means high in Italian?
Fort. Fort.
Incorrect. It's alto. Windward. What is the name of the highest male voice in a typical choir?
Tenor. Tenor.
Correct. Mathematics, friendship. And unfortunately, we won't be able to get to that question. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Friendship Primary on 6 and Windward Road Primary on 4. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Pick out a comfortable and relaxing spot at home to do homework and study. Your performance will be better when you work in the right environment. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.